Hey there, let's talk about computer, the general introduction of computers. What computers are, what are they made for, and what are their different purposes in our day-to-day life. So, if we talk about computer, let me give you the general introduction of computers over here. Alright, the word computer comes from the word compute. We all know this. And what does this compute actually means? It means to calculate something. Alright, whenever we need to calculate something, we say it's a compute, and this compute is basically the origin word of this computer. Alright, hence people usually consider a computer to be a calculating device, alright, that can perform arithmetic operations at high speed. Please make a note of this thing. It's talking about the arithmetic operations. Alright, arithmetic operations. Whenever there comes arithmetic, so we need to take it as a mathematical operations. Alright, so arithmetic like basic arithmetics, multiplication, addition, division, subtraction, these are the basic arithmetic, and those arithmetic operations are being done by the computer. Alright, so a computer is often referred to as a data processor. It is not only the thing which can only do the arithmetic things, alright, which can only calculate things. It is referred to as a data processor also, because it can store, it can process, and it can later on retrieve the same data whenever it is desired to us. Alright, so whenever the data is desired, it can retrieve it at that time, because it has already been stored and it has already been processed by the same computer. Alright, so the modern computers, if we talk about the modern computers, not only the compute in the usual sense, but also perform other functions with data that flows to and from them. What I am trying to say here, that the modern computers don't only calculate the things, alright, they don't only calculate, but they have a different sense that they can perform the other functions with the data that flows to and from them. Let me give you an example on that. Data processor may gather data from various incoming sources. Alright, so from the various incoming sources, these computers can gather the data. Alright, and then they can merge them. Alright, they can merge them, they can later on they can merge them, they can sort them in a desired order. Alright, that means this data, input data, is being given to the computer, it is being merged here, and it has been sorted in a desired order, and finally prints them in a desired format. Alright, this data which we gave it was in a haphazard manner, was not in a sequence, so this computer sort them and sort them in a desired order, and finally print them in a desired format. Okay, this those were the other functionalities of the computer also. So if in general, what I'm trying to say here is, let me give an example over here. Let's suppose it is a computer here. Alright, we call it as a data processor. Alright, this is an input which we are feeding to a computer, and it is going to give us an output, our desired result. Alright, so input, what is input here? So the input here will be the raw material. We call it as raw material, for instance. Alright, but this raw material we call it as a data. Okay, data is being given to this computer, and later on this computer is giving us the finished products. All right, finished products. All right, but these finished products are called information. All right, so data is being given to the computer, and computer in the other way gives us the information, the desired result which we are actually looking for. This was the little introduction about the computer. Now there are a lot many characteristics of a computer. Okay, let me point out some of them here. All right, let me tell you that the computers are, first of all, they are automatic, most important. Secondly, they have a lot of speed. Thirdly, we can say they are accurate. Okay, we can say they have accuracy. Fourth, we can say that they are diligence. They have a diligency. They have versatility. They have versatility. Uh, they have a power of remembrance. Okay, and much more. So this was a general introduction of the computer, and in the very next video we are going to talk about evolution of computers. Okay, and in later videos we will try to read what are the basic computer organizations. Okay, like input unit, what is output unit, storage unit, arithmetic logical unit, control unit, central processing unit, and the whole system concept. We are going to achieve them in the later videos. Till then, take care of yourself and keep watching and supporting my videos. Thank you very much.